So
Hello family, welcome to another episode. My name is Chef Malik Eric. As you have seen on the platform, we are talking about cook for a family or 5 families during the Easter. And today is a D-Day, the day that we are doing the cooking. And I just want to use this opportunity to thank those on our platform, especially the Masim Rice and our charity viewers who have sponsored us for this program to be successful today. And here are my spices and vegetables we are come to cook a special jollof for the family. On my table, I have displayed all my items. This is my onions, ginger, tomato paste, lettuce. My proteins are here, fresh tomatoes, and then the rest. And my spices too are here. As you can see, my beautiful giant blender, which was given to me by Electronic Enterprise, which will help me do my work smoothly. So all thanks to them. If you want it, you can contact on the social media to get your own for your home. I'm come to start with my protein, which is the chicken. So you can see that this is my Maggi season. This is also the chicken season. And this is the curry powder and ginger. Now add small curry powder. My salt. Add more of the Maggi. So mix it. I have to make sure that you mix it very well so that the spices will go inside. So I'll leave it for some time. And now blend my. So my vegetables are pre-washed. So I'm just going to blend it with my giant Electronic blender. So add my ginger, garlic. Add my pepper, water, so as you can see, it's really a giant blender, so fast and smooth. So I add some of my garlic, onions and pepper to my chicken. I'll finish with the chicken. I'll spice it, so I'll leave for a while. Whilst waiting for it, I'll light my fire. So now I'll add my oil. I've just kept my oil for it to be hot so that I'll start frying the chicken. So whilst waiting for the oil, I'm come to mix my flour. I want to coat it with the flour, which is the bread flour. I'm coming to coat my chicken with the flour simply because I want it to be crispy and dried. Because I'm not steaming the chicken, I'm frying it direct. So if you are frying the chicken dry, you have to coat it so that the surface will be hard and crispy. And it will be easy to cook inside. Because if you don't coat it and you are frying, the outer part may be cooked and the inside will not be cooked. So for my flour, I'll add small salt to it, add egg. So I've added the egg, and the egg also helps to make more tasty because it's also another protein. I'll add small curry powder. I don't want to have to dilute the flour to make it loose whilst I'll dip my chicken inside there to fry. The flour is done, so as for me to wait for the oil to be hot, I'll start doing my stew for the jollof. I'll put the oil. My oil is hot. So I'll put my onions first. So this is my blended ginger, my pepper and garlic that I blend, onions. So I have to add some of the pepper. So I like this blender because it's faster, it doesn't make noise and easy to use. So if you are interested, you can just contact our page. The numbers are there. When you call those, show you how you get it for your home. I'm just checking on my chicken to see how it's going. Because it's fresh, you have to always make sure that the fire is low. You have to keep it low fire so that the outer will not burn and the inner will not cook. So you just have to make sure that your ice is on it. I'll add my tomato paste. So I have put the quantity because of the number of family I'm cooking for. So now I'm going to add my fresh tomatoes that I blend. It's the only blender that helped me to do the work smoothly. So now my first chicken is ready. So now I'm putting my second batch of the chicken. I'm going to put my spices in the stew. This is my Maggi spices, ginger powder, add my curry powder as well, and my salt. So now I'm adding my salmon fish, my stew. So I'll add my onions to my stew, which will also help me to get my flavor I'm looking for. The secret behind my cooking today is I'm going to use one of the local perfume rice, which is made by Masim rice. It's one of the local and best perfume rice that is made in Ghana. Masim rice is the rice I'm going to use for the jollof, and which I know my Christian family will enjoy it. Add my water to my stew. And remember, when you are adding the water, you have to know the brand of rice you are using. And Masim rice is a type of rice that doesn't need much water. As I've added my water, I have to increase my spices more. So I'll put my Maggi. So you only add your spices by the quantity you are cooking. So this is my jollof season. Jollof season I've added. You know, most of the time I don't want my jollof to be too colored. So you just make it to look attractive. You add small jollof season, just to make your jollof looks so attractive and delicious. So I'll add my small salt to it. You can see that my crispy chicken is ready, and you can see the golden color. As you can see, my masim rice, which is locally made in Ghana, and this masim perfume rice. So it's nice. You know, it doesn't need much water when you are cooking it. That's what I'm using for the project. My crispy golden brown chicken is ready. Now I'm going to put my masim perfume rice, which is local made in Ghana. A lot of people don't know we have local made perfume rice in Ghana. And masim rice is having one of the local best perfume rice made in Ghana, yeah, which is tasty and delicious. Masim simply means tasty. So now the jollof is ready. I'm going to do my parceling. As you can see, my garnishing is here, and because of time, my baked beans, this is the bakosito, ketchup, and then the sito itself. We have bakosito and then the sito itself, and then my salad is here. I have another protein, which is the egg, and now the jollof is about to go down, which I'm coming to serve. And I can feel the smoke of the jollof, which is what most people like. You can smell the smoky of the jollof. And for you to get the best jollof, you have to go in for the masim rice, local perfume rice made in Ghana. And I hope my Christian family will enjoy this jollof. Now the food is ready, and we're about to go to the families to distribute the food to them. And all big thanks goes to Masim Rice for the support they have given us to complete this project successfully. Kitronis Enterprise for the support of giving us the strong blenders that make our work smooth and faster. And to all our viewers and families out there who have sponsored us, all thanks to all of you. And we are so hoping to see you. There another project ahead, which is the Eid. Please help us to complete that mission too. As you can see, the food is ready. We are about to move. Mark the Easter. I find it a privilege that to get something for your family to also enjoy the Easter. With our sponsor, Masim Rice, you are those who help us to make a smile in your family. So here we are, passing for you.
So mpaya kapupam kama yenzang pinishale entity mini family ngoma Ndi ti gba puhi chuɣu palli maa so ti paɣaya ka puhi ka yɛn ni naawuni ni niŋ alibarika niŋ pini ŋɔ maa ni.
Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.